Peace, it's Tay. I am back here again. Where else would I be? You know, we're on this thing. So I am due for a dye job. I do my own hair. I cut it, I color it, I wigs, whatever. Like, I just do it. And so I need to color this hair because I don't like this kind of blonde. I really like a really platinum blonde on me, and my hair is so stubborn, so it takes like 1,000 lifts in order for me to get to a platinum. But anyway, we're gonna go lighter today because we are gonna go for a little like unicorn pastel kind of look. I don't know, but these are the colors that we're going to be using today, and I don't know what it's gonna look like or turn out to be, but we're just gonna experiment and have a good time. Okay, the bleach that I'm going to use today, I have never used it before, so I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. But I mean, it's bleach, it's volumizer, it's all the same thing, right? I usually use Ion Brilliance, but I didn't want to go to Sally's and patronize them because there is actually a Black-owned hair supply store near me. So I figured, why not try it? So this is what we are going to be using today for the first time ever. Clairol Professional Kaleido Colors. It's powder lightener and the cream developer. And of course, you gotta have some Vaseline. I got the store brand because I told y'all in my last video that I'm a cheap girl. So we got the Walmart brand of Vaseline. You know, we got this little guy here to mix the bleach in this little guy, a red cup in this guy. Perfect. And you know, glove to apply to your scalp. And so, I mean, let's go. Let's get started. I'm ready. I'm very impatient. Maybe I should read some of these directions. I don't do what I'm supposed to do. I'm pretty sure my ratio is usually off. I just mix it until it becomes a consistency that I like. And then I put it on my scalp and that's it. We are going to... Don't be like me. You're supposed to put the dry into the wet, not the wet into the dry. It's for all the people who bake out there and cook and stuff. You always put your dry ingredients into your wet, not the wet into the dry. Material girl. I got your little fire boots. Material girl. Now I start bleaching at the crown of my head because my hair is the absolute thickest and densest hair, and it takes significantly longer and much more processes to get this part of my hair to basically come out like the rest. And I do my edges absolutely last because they literally turn in like a few minutes. I'm really bold for bleaching my hair with a black shirt on. Very, very bold. And I really like this shirt too. And watch it. I say something right now and then bleach fall on it and then it's ruined. We're done. For now, we're done. Let this incubate for probably an hour. Usually says do like 30 minutes, 45 minutes or something like that. But like I told you, my hair is so stubborn, so I have to do it longer. So I'm gonna keep this on for an hour and then check back and see what it looks like, if I wanna wash it out or just let it stay on for a little bit longer. Okay. So I'm here for the reveal. I am doing this with you guys too. I haven't even looked at my hair. I just washed it and threw this on, so. Okay. Ooh, it's so soft. I look like Guy Fieri right now. Okay. All right. This is bright. This is bright. Okay. So now time for the second part, which is getting the unicorn-ness on. So I forgot to also mention that I did keep this in for, I think, about 50 minutes instead of an hour, because it started tingling a little too much and I was just ready to wash it out. So, all right, so we're gonna dilute this a little bit. Much better. So I'm not going to keep this color on long because I don't want it to be, it says it's a, what does it say? Soft lavender. That looks very potent, very magenta, very purple. That's really bright. Just going to massage it with my fingers. Okay, I'm done. I'm about to go wash this out and see what it looks like when we get back. So there you have it. This is the final look. Let me take my ears off so you can see. So this is how it turned out. There are lots of purples and pinks and even a little bit of the bleaches peeking through, which is perfectly fine by me. I just wanted it to look like a unicorn exploded in my scalp. And I think I nailed the look, right? So yes, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you enjoyed this little, I don't even know if we should call it a tutorial because I'm not a guru by any means, but I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned because I'm pretty sure I'm going to change my hair color next week. Maybe. But again, thank you so much for being here. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up or two. Give me a thumbs up, please. Be sure to drop a comment below if you have anything that you'd like to say. And, just let me know that you're here. And please be sure to subscribe. I really do want to thank all 240 something of you that are subscribed as of today. It really means so much to me that you guys are here and that you guys are even watching these videos, because it's probably a little weird seeing me in this element, but I'm here for it and I really am just enjoying this ride. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. So stay tuned. We'll see what else we can get into in the year 2022. Yeah. Peace, love, and all that jazz. Y'all have a great one.